5, 6, 7, or in the top. 5, 6, 7. Man, that's for you too. Okay, let's do mambos. Let's count the normal basic mambo step, and men follow me, and 5, 6, 7. You can do it together if you want, or just in the freestyle that you do. The name of this is mambos. We do a little bit in the merengue at the beginning, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look my point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go to the mambo again. 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Everybody, mambos. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Girls, a little bit more cross, because we need to do the difference between men and women. Ladies, and dum, bum, bum, bum. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Bum, bum, bum. There we do the 8 cents on the salsa. 1, 2, 3. Mambos. Let's go. 1, 2. Men, like that. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 points. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Mambos. Let's go, girls. 1, 2, 3. Look, feet. Feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Mambos. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. Tap. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5. Posture, girls. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7.